Book of Heaven, Volume 11, September 20th, 1915. The Fiat must be the sweet knot that binds all the acts of the creature. Continuing in my usual state, my lovable Jesus made himself seen with scourges in his hands, touching and beating the creatures. It seemed that the scourges were extending more, and among many things, it seemed that some were plotting a conspiracy against the church, and they were mentioning Rome. Blessed Jesus was afflicted and as though covered with a black mantle. He told me,
"My daughter, the scourges will make the peoples rise again, but there will be so many of them that all peoples will be wrapped in sorrow and mourning. And since the creatures are my members, I am wrapped in black because of them."
I was all dismayed, and I prayed him to placate himself, and he, to cheer me, told me,
"My daughter, the Fiat must be the sweet knot that will bind all your acts. So my will and yours will form the knot, and know that every thought, word, act, done as tied to my will, is one more channel of communication that opens between myself and the creature. If all your acts are tied to my will, not one channel of divine communication will be close between you and me."